Alright guys, gonna run this for Chad. He's got the J.J. Hardy Mavericks bobblehead. It is 3:32 p.m. We will type live. We are live. 3:32 and 3:32. We are gonna grab the list. Right here we got 13 spots. We are going to drop that into random. We just double check here. 13 lines at 10. Cool. Alright. We got 13 entries. We got Ryan Gill has got the ends and roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice shows at 8. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats. Chad, spot number 6. You are the winner. Get in touch with Chad and get your bobblehead. We are done. 3:33. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 3:33. 3:33. Here is the verification and the timestamp.